I never ever could come close. Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon.
Alright, so before we start this video, I just want to kind of like do a quick test. So I'm gonna have two lenses right now. I'm gonna put it on here and let's see if you guys can tell the difference. So this shot right now is the first lens, and how does it look? It looks good. Alright, right now this is the second lens I have right here. So how does this one look? So which one do you guys think it looks better? It's the first one and the second one. Which one just looks better? And tell me down below. And so first one is actually my bigger expensive lens. This is the Canon L series f2.8 16-35. If I use 4K, there is a crop factor, so usually I just shoot 1080p on this one. And this one is actually an EFS lens. It's designed for smaller APS-C sensor camera. It's cheaper. Slower aperture. Thing is, I can record in 4K on this because it's so wide. So just tell me which one is better. This one also has image stabilization, so better for vlogging. It's less shaky. What about dynamic range? How does the dynamic range different looks? Alright, back to video. Today I was thinking about, okay, I'm gonna go to like a trail, kind of like do a little bit hiking, and maybe gonna kind of ride my Boostedboard a little bit, kind of like test it out the off-roading capability of this board.
I'm trying to get the Boostedboard going on this dirt, so no thank you.
Oh my god.
Okay, that does not work well off-road at all.
And I also ordered like a wheel baker, so it's designed kind of, I can't say designed for off-roading, but it just absorbed that shakiness a little bit. And I was riding, there are a lot of little stones in the road, and I was riding my Boostedboard. So there is a little bit different from this board right now. This one is not spinning anymore, and this one is keeps spinning. Spin. Not spin. Here it has this kind of like a little belt thing. It attached to the wheel, and when it spins together, but this one doesn't. You see, it doesn't tie down here. Alright guys, so basically I have an idea. So basically I bought this light. This light over here, I got it on Amazon about $30, and it comes with two of them. It comes with all the color gels and stuff. You know, like these days you buy cheap stuff on Amazon and you actually get it more. And when you buy something like a red camera, like the most expensive one, and you don't get anything. It actually just come out like this. This is tripod. I used to use it as vlog. I don't really use this anymore. Come with this mount. So I just mount it on the light. If I put it on, it just being something like this. The problem with is this is a pretty long cable for sure, but the thing is I don't have that much charger, or like I have to constantly moving from one location to a second location. I don't make sure there is a place I can plug it in to make this light works. I have three of big. This is a 15,000 milliamp power portable battery. I was thinking maybe I can do like something like a little bit customization. For example, maybe I can charge this one and tape it back on here. Then when I use it, I just plug it in right here. And if I just turn the battery from the back, it just power the light. Try out the new light I just got. I assembled myself. That's basically the end of the today right now. Tomorrow I have to clean off that. Literally like relocate every single box in here. I'm gonna eat some food later, so yeah, that's all today. Quarantine content, there's actually not much to say.